Hello guys! For this video, gagawa tayo ng prosperity ball. Apple yung ilagay ko sa center. Meron tayong itlog, isang dosina. At ayan guys. Meron tayong rice, malagkit yung ginagamit ko guys. Syempre meron din tayong bowl na lalagyan natin. Meron tayong laurel. Bulak para easy daw yung entry sa swerte. Paper money. Ayan guys, nilagay ko na yung malagkit na rice sa bowl, tsaka yung itlog. Next yung isang dosen ng coins, symbolizes wealth and abundance. At yung paper money, fortune, success, and prosperity. But before niroll yung money na paper, nilagyan ng cotton balls sa middle. Tapos tinali ng red rebonnet. Nilagyan ng isang dosen ng chocolate gold coins for a sweeter reunion with family, friends, or co-workers, good fortune, and prosperity. Tapos, next yung nilagay na bay leaves, 8 pieces, symbolizes manifestation and prosperity. 8 pieces, meaning it means infinity, the flow of luck is endless. Apple lang pinili ko guys for the center for harmony and good health. Pero kahit anong ilagay natin, nasa sipag at syaga pa rin nakasalalay. Prosperous New Year and get blessed!